Welcome to Yaalhini Crafts. Today we'll see how to make a miniature quilling basket. Now I have taken 5 quilling strips in pink color. This is a 5 mm quilling strip. Now I am going to join all these 5 strips with a glue. Now I have joined all the quilling strips with a glue. Now take a quilling needle and roll the strips. Now I have completed rolling it. Now stick the ends with a glue. Now it's ready. Take a quilling tool and make it into a shape of a basket. Now the shape of a basket is ready. Apply some glue in the middle. Now apply glue even on the top side. I have applied glue on the surface. Let it dry for some time. Now it's completely dried. Now I have taken another quilling paper. Now I am using blue color. This is a 3 mm quilling paper. Now stick this one as a border. Now I have completed sticking the border. Next I am going to make handle. For this I am going to use same blue color quilling sheet. I am going to fold the quilling sheet into 2. Now I have folded it into 2. Now I am going to stick it like this. Now the handle is ready. I am going to attach it to the basket. Now I have completed sticking the handle. Now the basket is ready. Now we'll decorate it with some stones. Now the beautiful miniature quilling basket is ready. You can also try this in your home and say your comments in the below comment box. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends. Please subscribe Yaalhini Crafts and press the nearby bell button. Thank you.